first win of the season. We have Coach Colby Monteverde, Noy Remogat, and Francis Rock. Coach, congratulations for this victory. Mukhang yung mga players nagkaroon ng sense of urgency right from the get-go to enter the win column. So, what can you say about your team's performance this afternoon?
Well, for me, of course, imagine ko kasing manalo will always feel positive, especially if it's our first win. And for me, more than the win, it's how we play this game today. It's understanding that we need each other to achieve something big. And I felt like today we moved the ball better. So we just continue growing.
Thank you. To Francis, you have a double effort of 14 points, 10 rebounds, and you have 3 blocks and 1 assist. So Francis, what can you say about finally get your first win, and what we can expect from you as the season goes on?
I'm happy that we got our first win, and I'm happy that we played together more today. Because it's been one hell of a week. Losing back-to-back games, that wasn't really, that didn't feel good. But at least we're getting it back, we're getting our group back, we're playing together more as a team, and we're trusting the process like our coach always said. So I'm happy.
Thank you. And to Noy, 21 points, 11 assists, 7 rebounds, 2 steals, and plus 13. So, this is your best game so far in a maroon uniform. So, ano masasabi mo? Do you think nagagamay mo na yung sistema ni Coach Goldwyn at ano pa yung aasahan namin sa iyo? Especially nag-aabol kayo ng mga panalo itong first round.
Sa system naman yung Coach Goldwyn, isa lang ako gustong matuto araw-araw. Hindi nga, lagi kasi namin in-emphasize ng growth ng team. So, siguro nagbunga din